Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the laptop down, unplugging the charger, and grounding yourself. Static kills components. Once done, flip the Swift 3 over and remove the 10 Phillips screws. Note short versus long and label them. Make sure to open the rear hinge first, then pry the bottom cover gently with a plastic tool along the seam. Don't force it. This exposes the internals and gives you access to the battery connector and the small screws holding the battery in place. Now locate the battery connector close to the touchpad and use a non-metal spudger to lift the plug straight up. This isolates power. After that, remove the battery's 3/4 mounting screws, keeping each screw grouped by size. Once screws are out, pry the battery from the rear edge using a thin plastic tool, working left to right so adhesive releases evenly. You must avoid bending the pack or tugging on any ribbon cables. Slow, even pressure prevents damage to finish, set the replacement battery into its bay, align screw holes, and install the mounting screws snugly but not over-tightened. Then reconnect the battery plug firmly to the board. Once the bottom cover is snapped and screws returned, power on the laptop on battery alone to verify charge and system recognition. If it won't power, make sure the connector is fully seated, screws don't short contacts, and check BIOS battery status. If problems persist, reset connector and test with the charger attached for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.